Hello guys, this is Mark from PhoneSmith. Today we'll be doing a hard reset on the LG V40 THIN Q. So let's move right to the phone and I'll show you guys the button combination which we'll be using to remove any password, whatever you forgot, and reset the phone. So we'll be holding the volume down and the assistant button, which is newly introduced into these LG phones. After you got that located, let's move on to looking for the power button, which is on the right side of the phone. And we'll be holding all of these at the same time, guys, at the same time. After that, let's move on to an illustration that I have for you guys, which again, I'm literally just showing you guys that we're gonna be holding the volume down, the assistant button, and the power button at the same time. But look closely, guys. As soon as that LG logo comes up on the screen, guys, lift up your finger and put your finger right back on it. That basically triggers the hard reset mode where you can just basically reset your device. So look at this beautiful white screen, guys. So basically we could use your volume up and down to navigate and the power button to basically select and press OK to continue on with everything you're doing. So as soon as you press yes on that one, it's going to bring you to a basically a confirmation menu or confirmation extra dialogue just to let you know, hey, you're about to erase your phone. Are you sure you want to do this? So just press yes again, guys, and then your phone will be erasing. After that's situated, guys, that's really all I can have for you guys, man. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I really appreciate the support. You guys have a great day.